Welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to buy a voucher using the old Mutual app. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. And if your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the process is the same. Just follow along. First, open the old Mutual app and log into your account. From the bottom of the home screen, tap the Rewards option. This will open your old Mutual Rewards dashboard. Select Spend. You'll now see the different ways that you can use your rewards points. Choose Buy Vouchers. You'll be taken to the Buy Vouchers section where you can decide on the type of voucher that you want. Here you can pick from different voucher options including fuel, retail shopping, eat out, entertainment, along with many more. Scroll to the category you want and then select the shop or brand that you want to buy the voucher from. After that, choose the voucher price you want to purchase. Every 100 rewards points is worth 10 Rand. And the lowest voucher amount that you can spend is 50 Rand, which is equivalent to 500 rewards points. Also, if you haven't already verified your identity, you'll need to do so before you are allowed to spend any rewards points. You can verify your identity by calling the number displayed on the screen. Review the voucher details and then press continue to complete the redemption. Once the redemption has been processed successfully, your rewards points will be redeemed. And that's it. That's how to buy a voucher using the old Mutual app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye.